Milana star, also known simply as Milana, is a Russian singer, video vlogger, and social media personality. Her father is Russian actor and TV host Vitaly Gogunsky. Her mother is model Irina Mairko. The couple met on the set of a series but were not married at the time of Milana's birth. She began performing on stage at age 4 and studied vocals at Alla Pop Art Workshop. Milana gained popularity as a child through YouTube and social media. She launched her self-titled YouTube channel in November 2017, which has grown to millions of subscribers with blogs, music, and lifestyle content. She has performed at events like VK Fest and continues to release music and tour. She has also appeared in crossover or game show style content alongside other young creators. Milana Star rose to fame at a young age through a combination of family connection in entertainment, early stage experience, and savvy use of social media and music. She continues to balance singing, blogging, and brand collaboration while maintaining a large young fanbase in Russia and beyond. In 2018, she went on tour with her show Milana Party. She also popular on Instagram with over 1.2 million followers.